Hi vlog, I just booked my flight to Paris and I leave literally in less than 24 hours and I don't even own a carry-on. So I'm headed to Marshall's real quick to go buy one. So I just went to Marshall's, I secured the luggage, and I also got a bag for my toiletries to put into my luggage. And then I realized that I don't really like any of the outfits that I have, so I'm gonna stop by H&M real quick, see if I find anything that I like, because I want like a European inspired outfit.
We used to share our thoughts and dreams, but that was such a long time ago. Maybe we've grown apart. Maybe we weren't meant to be right from the start. But I remember those days with joy in my heart. It's all that behind us now.
Okay, so I just got home from H&M. It's currently 2:13 and I have not eaten anything except like half a burrito at like 9 in the morning. So I'm gonna make myself something to eat. I'm not really going for healthiness right now. I'm just going for how quick it is. I got these teriyaki noodles from Costco. They're Pulmone. I have no idea how to pronounce that brand, but that's the brand if you're interested. And then it comes in a pack of 4. You just heat it up in the skillet real quick and it's easy as pie.
Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes. Take some good advice. Don't let your fear decide. That's how.
So I'm gonna eat this real quick. It literally took me like 5 minutes just to heat up on the skillets. And then I'm going to be scrolling on Pinterest while I eat. Gonna be looking for some inspiration on like outfit ideas to kind of get an idea of what I want to pack, because I want to be very mindful when I'm packing since it's only a carry-on.
I can feel the sun and how the wind makes way across the fields.
So I kind of got an idea of what I'm looking for. I'll put some pictures up on the screen of kind of the inspiration of the fashion that I want to wear. Now we gotta see if we can make those outfits with the clothes that I have in my closet. First of all, my hair is a mess. I tried overnight curls with leggings on my hair and let's just say it did not work out very well. So I used this hair clip to clip it back, and then I'm probably gonna do some curls before I go, probably tomorrow morning. And thankfully I already got my nails done. I literally did them like 2 or 3 days ago without even realizing I was going. And I also did my eyebrows like 3 days ago, so that worked out pretty well. So a little bit of background, my parents and my whole entire family basically are in London right now and they're going to Paris on Tuesday. It's currently Sunday. They've been begging me to go the whole entire time, but I didn't really want to go because I knew I wasn't gonna make it in time. I literally just got back from Florida a week ago today, so I was like, I am not in the mood to go travel again. But I figured it's my grandma's birthday on Tuesday, so I figured I would fly in and surprise her and my whole entire family as well. Obviously my sister knows I'm coming because I need somebody to know so they can tell me where they're gonna be and what they're doing, just so you guys are in the loop. But other than that, let's get to packing. I want to lay out all the clothes together and make outfits so I don't just pack blindly. So let's try to figure out what outfits we can make. Okay, so I've kind of laid out some outfits on the bed. This is gonna be my travel outfit. It's just a black jogger sweatpant with a cute little white tee. This is a dress, which is an outfit on its own. This skirt I just bought from H&M with this top, and then there's also a bodysuit, so there's 2 different variations. This tweed skirt is gorgeous. I love the detailing, so I'm gonna pair it, just keep it all nice and classy, all white. And then there's this one, which is kind of similar, and I have that sweater to go with it. And then that's another dress on its own. This looks like a mess of a pile, but it's just some top variations plus a jean, because it's always good to bring a jean. So I can wear any of these tops with that jean, as well as any of these tops with that jean, and then I can mix and match those tops with the skirts as well. So I'm gonna set all that up. I'm gonna fold it nice and neatly and then put it in my carry-on, and then we can move on to like skincare, hair care, those type of things.
낮이 되면 잠깐 come on outside tell me when you want it baby you don't need to know my whereabouts I don't get too lonely yeah we don't need to keep afford it look at me just baby I do 매일 on and on 계속 on and on baby come and show me yeah my heart I never thought I could love this hard oh I can't get enough got me singing like I love it when you do it like that when you walk out wearing nothing but.
So those are all the clothes that I showed. They fit perfectly in here. I'm going to try to pack my skincare, makeup, and just toiletries in general and see if I fit that all on this side as well as my shoes. It might be a little bit extra, but I low-key want to bring some tall boots because I feel like they would just go good, so good with a lot of these skirts. Let's see what we can fit in here.
Wearing nothing but. I love it when we do it like that. You know that I'm right there, want you to. You make it look so easy like that. Then you try out my attention like. Just thinking how you make me go on and on and on and on.
So I finished packing my bag, and then I also packed this tote bag that's gonna have all my basically personal items. But I realized I don't have any tennis shoes that I want to take, so I'm gonna go see if I can find some. Well, that was a fail. I found absolutely nothing. I went to Shoe Palace, I went to TJ Maxx, and I found nothing. I honestly want more like of a white fashion sneaker, but I'm probably just gonna have to go with my Air Forces. My only problem is that I don't think they go with the skirts that I'm taking. I might have to take the boots after all, but it's a little ambitious of me. I'm going by myself to Paris, so that means my boyfriend stays behind. So I kind of just meal prep for him a little bit. Don't mind the mess that is in my kitchen. I literally just finished and I still have to pick up. But I made him some mashed potatoes, a whole bunch of chicken, and a whole bunch of steak, so that way that he can mix and match between all these things. I just fixed my hair. I recurled it with my curling wand, and it looks 1,000 times better. This is the type of hair that I actually like. Like, this is the curls that I was going for, except heatless, but it obviously did not turn out. Anyways, I have my personal item carry-on bag, but I am all packed up, ready to go. I have the clothes that I'm wearing right there, and then I'm going to be wearing my Air Forces with that. It's not an all black outfit, but it does have black in it. I at least am wearing comfy. I do not understand people that will literally go in jeans to the airport and on the airplane. No thank you. I have about a 13-hour travel day ahead of me tomorrow, and I'm trying to be as comfy as possible. I am a little bit stressed though, because I fly from Vegas to Boston, and then I have a 30-minute layover in Boston. That is nothing. Like, if my first plane gets like even the slightest bit delayed, I'm already stressing. Anyways, so we have a 30-minute layover in Boston, and then we head over to Paris. So I have 2 flights, and it's a 13-hour day, so I want to make sure I'm rested as possible. I am waking up probably at like 7 in the morning because I have to be at the airport at like 9 in the morning to catch my flight, which is at 11. And because it is a 13-hour flight and I land at 9 in the morning in Paris time, I do want to try to get some sleep, so I'm gonna go to sleep early so that I can be tired enough tomorrow to catch some sleep on the plane. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in Paris.